Hey guys, in this video you can see this mobile Samsung A5, and in this mobile is problem FRP bypass Google account verifying. You can see here. So now I am remove this FRP. So first of all you have to insert SIM any. You can see here, insert any SIM in this mobile. Guys, next you have to bring this another mobile for SMS alert. You can see here. After you have to click done, and then you have to go in application frpfile.com. You can see here in this another mobile. So now I am going to start frpfile.com. You can see here and click on start. So now you have to write link, and then you have to add number that you have to connect SIM. So now you have to send command for YouTube. Here you can see here in this mobile will show messages for YouTube. You can see here, then click on OK. YouTube command is open now, and you can see here click on letter. And so now you have to go in search. Guys, you can see here Google. You have to search in this YouTube and click on Google channel. You can see here. After you have to click on three dot and privacy policy. You can see here and click on internet browser. You can see here is open now, and now you have to search frpfile.com / bypass. As you write this, then you have to go. So now you have to scroll down and download Google Account Manager 8 version. You can see 6 version, as you can see. After you have to download bypass FRP file. So now you have to click bookmark and go history, click download history. You can see here, and install Google Account Manager. Allow source install. So it's installing now, and then you have to click on done. After you have to install bypass FRP install. So now you have to open, and then click on three dot. You can see here browse in. Okay, and so now you have to enter your Gmail if you have created already. When you input your Gmail, then click on next, and after you have to input your password. After you have to click on sign in. Sign in completed. Now you have to restart your mobile. Press the power button and restart. Click. Guys, if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. You can see here this mobile A5 and get start. Next and agree. After you have to see checking connection. You can see here, guys, you can see download this FRP file. Click on not now and tick mark no thank you. Escape anyway. Just a second and scroll down. Don't restore. You can see here, and scroll down, escape, and next. Guys, this mobile FRP is removed now. You can see here. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. Bye, be back later, see you next.